A is for apple. 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 B is for ball. 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 C is for cookies. 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 D is for daddy. 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 E is for elbow. 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 Yes, so it's a wonderful day, boys and girls, because you are going to practice the sound of spelling. Okay? So after following the spelling song, I know everyone has great performance to practice at home. Okay, so now let's do another practice of English. So, take a look at the above word. Yes. Anybody knows the spelling?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
K-I-C-K.
Very good. K-I-C-K. Okay, now look at the word number 2. Yes. Anybody knows? What's the spelling?
J-U-M-P.
That's right. J-U-M-P. Wonderful. Let's do another practice. Look at the other words. Can you tell me what's the spelling, please, everyone?
C-L-A-P.
That's great. C-L-A-P. A very nice practice. And now, how about the last word? Yeah. What's the spelling, please?
H-U-G.
That's great. H-U-G. Okay. So, very nice practice of spelling, everyone. So, don't forget to do another spelling of the word. Okay. So now, as everybody sound very excellent of English, we are going to do sharpening of English practice. Now, look at the picture. What can he do?
He can kick the ball.
Yes. He can kick the ball. Very good sentence. I know you are great, boys and girls. Now take a look at the picture number 2. What can he do?
He can jump the body.
Yes. He can jump the body. That's wonderful. Okay, now I'm going to show you the picture number 3. What can he do?
He can clap the hand.
Yes. Awesome. He can clap the hand. MashaAllah. Very great job. Now, look at the picture number 4.
He can hug the friend.
That's right. He can hug the friend. Okay. You are going to repeat the sentence one more time at home. Take a good partner to practice English, and you are going to show me the next time. Thank you, everyone. That's excellent. Thank you for joining English Time today. Goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.